G'day guys, Alex at Cycle Fixation with another unicycle of the day. Today we've got a very special unicycle, so come and check it out. Today we've got my steel unicycle. It's been powder coated black. This thing has a fully custom wheel build with oil slick spokes and purple nipples. Very, very custom. It's got 155mm cranks, so for a bit of extra rock clearance. This thing also has a 12-speed driveline. It has Fox 38 forks on the front, and it's absolutely just ready to hit the trails. Just gotta find out one last thing. Does this unicycle do uni wheelies? Let's go.